how to get activation code for Expressvpn. Now, normally, once you log into your account, it will automatically show your activation code on your dashboard below set of your devices. If you go to their website, say Expressvpn, right here, if you go to their website and then log into your account, it will automatically show your activation code will appear on the dashboard under your setup devices right here, below here. That's a normal thing. And then the first thing is once you have subscribed to one of their plans, it will ask you to enter your email address. So that's the second thing that you'll get your activation code. It will be sent out through your email address. Now, if none of these steps or none of these options are showing or getting your activation code, now you'll have to contact the customer support that is associated with ExpressVPN. All you have to do is to go to their official website, expressvpn.com, and then right here, click on Need Help, Chat with us. They actually live customer chat support 24/7. Now all you have to do is to um, input your email address associated with your account on ExpressVPN, hit on enter, and then you just have to follow all protocols that they'll be asking out, then fill out necessary details so you will be connected to an available support or representative. So that's basically it. That's your last resort, contacting the chat support. That's how you get your activation code with ExpressVPN.